Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when browser screenshots are washed out. Now to fix it, the first step is to turn on HDR screenshot color corrector in snipping tool. So you can open snipping tool on your computer. Now once you open snipping tool, click on these three dots at the top right and then go to settings. Scroll down. Here you can see HDR screenshot color corrector. If this is off, you can turn it on and then you can check. You can open snipping tool once again and then check. And if this is already on, you can turn it off. You can try both on and off. But for many users, turning on HDR screenshot has worked, so you can try this. Still not working. The next step is to set the color profile to either HDR or sRGB in browser. Now for this, Chrome users, if you're using Chrome, you can go to Chrome and then you can type in this Chrome. This is provided in the video description. In the search box, you can type in color profile. So here you can see forced color profile. Now over here, you can set it to, you can try sRGB. Now this has worked for, and you have to relaunch Chrome once again. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. If that does not work, you can even try this one, HDR10. So check which one is working, and each time you have to relaunch your Chrome. So for many users, sRGB is working. You can try this. I will just keep it at default. I'm not facing problems. So try HDR or you can try sRGB. If you have this, if you're facing this problem on Edge, in that case you can open Microsoft Edge and you can type in this. Again, search for color profile over here. And here you can see force color profile. And again, you can select sRGB or you can try HDR10 and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to turn off or turn on GPU graphics acceleration. Now for this, Chrome users can go to this path and then here you can see use graphics acceleration when available. If this is on, you can turn it off and then you have to relaunch Chrome and then check. If this is already off, then you can turn it on. So try both on and off. Do the same thing with on Edge. This is the location on Edge. And here you can see use graphics acceleration when available. So if this is on, turn it off and then relaunch Chrome, Edge and then check. If this is already off, you can turn it on and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.